Hi, this is the OPPO A2X and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first let's open the settings application, or just let's open the photos app. Select for example photo which you want to hide and click here to hide. Now we should find these options in hidden album, and how to do that I'll just show you. So just switch photos to albums tab and you'll see here hidden photos. Tap on them and enter your privacy password which you use on your device. In my case this is the pattern, and here we got our hidden photos. To unhide them, just select the photo, click set as public, switch it to the camera roll, and we could see that the photo successfully set as public. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.